Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, class. How are you today? I hope all of you are fine. And okay, class, don't forget to stay happy and stay healthy because happiness is the key of healthiness. Okay, class, I'm so happy today because this is our fourth meetings, and today we will discuss about future continuous tense. But I hope you don't forget about our material that we have discussed in our last meeting, that is simple future tense. Because what? Because in this our discussion, I will discuss about the similarity and the differences between simple future and then future continuous tense, and I hope you can get it well. Okay, class. Hari ini kita akan membahas tentang future continuous tense, dan saya harap kalian tidak melupakan materi kita di pertemuan lalu, yaitu adalah simple future tense. Karena nanti di sini saya akan membahas tentang persamaan dan perbedaan antara simple future dan juga future continuous tense. Okay, class, are you ready? Give your attention to our discussions and then check it out. The first thing that we will discuss is about the definition of future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense means? Future continuous tense here is the tenses that is used to express about activity that will be happened, and the time that is used by future continuous tense is the specific time. Future continuous tense adalah tenses yang digunakan untuk mengekspresikan suatu aktivitas yang akan terjadi, berlangsung, atau berprogres pada kurun waktu tertentu di masa depan dengan keterangan waktu yang spesifik. But Miss, what do you mean by the specific time? Tapi Miss, apa maksudnya specific time di sini? It means that it use the specific time. For example, look at the sentence example of the future continuous tense here. I will be arriving at 8 o'clock tonight. Saya akan tiba nanti malam jam 8. Which one is the specific time? Yes, you are right. The specific time is 8 o'clock tonight. Nanti malam jam 8. Itu lebih pasti kan? But if this sentence just use I will arrive tonight, saya akan tiba nanti malam, without 8 o'clock, it means that the time is not specific. Tapi jika kalimat itu hanya menggunakan kata tonight, tidak menggunakan 8 o'clock, ini menandakan bahwa itu tidak spesifik. Jadi, 8 o'clock tonight adalah keterangan waktu yang spesifik. Do you got it, class? Are you ready to continue to the next step? Okay. Now the second, some example of the time that is used in future continuous tense is the first at 4 o'clock in the morning, the second at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, the third at 7 o'clock tonight, and then the fourth on Sunday next week. They are just some examples of future continuous tense time. Oke, beberapa contoh keterangan waktu yang digunakan dalam future continuous tense adalah yang pertama, jam at 4 o'clock in the morning, pukul 4 di pagi hari. Ya, pukul 4 di pagi hari. But if there isn't 4 o'clock here, just in the morning, it means that the time is not specific, ya. Maka kita gunakan jam 4 di pagi hari. And then the second, at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, jam 3 besok siang. Itu lebih spesifik dan lebih pasti, besok siang jam 3. And then the fourth, at 7 o'clock tonight, nanti malam jam 7. Itu spesifik kan? Tapi kalau hanya tonight, nanti malam, itu tidak spesifik karena kita tidak tahu jam berapa itu akan terjadi. Tapi kalau di sini at 7 o'clock tonight, jam 7 nanti malam. And then the fourth, on Sunday next week, di hari Minggu, minggu depan. Ini sangat spesifik. Oh, minggu depan di hari Minggu. Tetapi kalau hanya next week, minggu depan, ini tidak spesifik ya. Minggu depan entah harinya apa kan kita tidak tahu, maka ini itu termasuk yang tidak spesifik. Tapi kalau di sini on Sunday next week, di hari Minggu, minggu depan, itu spesifik. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, next. Now we will discuss about the positive formula of future continuous tense. The formula of future continuous tense is subject plus will be plus verb ing plus complement. Future continuous tense rumusnya adalah subject plus will be plus verb ing plus complement atau pelengkap. Subject here, you can use all of the subject in future continuous tense. You can choose one of them. You can use I or you or we or they or he or she or it. It depends on the context, right? And then plus will be. And then plus verb ing. What is verb ing means? Verb ing is the verb that use ing. Verb that use ing, like for example, drink become drinking. Eat become eating. Sleep become sleeping. And then sit become sitting. So verb in here, the verb that is added by ing. Kata kerja yang ditambah dengan ing. And then complement. Complement here is pelengkap. You can use adverbial of time or you can use adjective. Kemudian bisa menggunakan keterangan waktu atau kata sifat di belakangnya. Terserah kalian. Complement itu pelengkap. Yes, do you understand? So I will give you the example of positive sentence of future continuous tense. I will be eating at 7 o'clock tonight. Saya akan makan jam 7 nanti malam. Do you understand? Okay, next. Here the formula of here is the negative formula of future continuous tense. There is subject. Like I said before, that subject you can use I, you, he, she, it, they, we. You can choose one of them, and then plus will be plus not. Not here is the word or the key to express that this is the negative sentence. Ini not di sini adalah kata yang digunakan untuk mengekspresikan bahwa ini adalah kalimat negatif. Plus verb ing and then complement. I'm sorry, class. The correct one of future continuous tense negative formula is subject plus will not plus be plus verb ing plus complement. For example, I will be not. I will not be studying on Sunday next week. Okay, here the sentence of future continuous tense in the negative form. I will not be studying on Sunday next week. I as subject, will not plus be plus studying as verb ing, and then on Sunday next week as the complement. Okay, now is the interrogative formula of future continuous tense. The formula is will plus subject plus be plus verb ing plus complement. For example, will you as subject be studying as verb ing on Sunday next week? If the answer is yes, you can write yes, I will be. If the answer is no, so you must write no, I will not be. Okay, class. Now, this is the differences between simple future and future continuous tense. Okay, what is the differences between simple future and future continuous tense means? The differences is in the time that is used. Perbedaannya terletak pada keterangan waktu. Simple future use the time that is not specific, and then for example, tonight, tomorrow, next week, next year. Simple future menggunakan keterangan waktu yang tidak spesifik, contohnya tonight, tomorrow, next week, next year. And then future continuous tense use the specific time. For example, at 8 o'clock tonight, at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, on Sunday next week, on July next month, in 2021 next year. Okay, class, thank you. Thanks for your attention, and I hope my explanation today is very clear for you. And then don't forget to do our post test to check about your understanding about our material today, that is future continuous tense. Thanks for your attention. Keep happy and keep healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.